Okay, let's talk about a new way to prep nuclei that's really changing the game. So, you know how tough getting good nuclei preps for sequencing can be, right?
Yeah, it's a huge bottleneck, and a lot can go wrong, messing up your results.
You've got inconsistent protocols, debris, it all just adds uncertainty to your sample prep.
And that means wasted time, money, and worst of all, noisy, unreliable data.
So what's the solution? Check out the LevitasBio workflow using the awesome LeviCell system.
It's a super simple four-step process. And get this, it's fast and really easy to do. The secret sauce, a protective agent that keeps nuclei safe. It's gentle and super consistent.
So, how good is the cleanup? Let's take a look at a mouse brain sample.
Okay, wow, just look at the difference between the before and after. It's night and day. What you're left with is a way cleaner sample, and that's absolutely crucial for accuracy.
But what about yield? You might think a gentle process means fewer nuclei. Let's see. Actually, it does the opposite. You get twice the amount of single nuclei as the competition.
Getting that many singlets means your counts are going to be way more accurate. It's a game changer. So you can trust you're actually looking at single nuclei, not clumps and junk. And, of course, better samples mean way better sequencing data down the line. It just makes sense.
With cleaner inputs, you can really dial in on your target cell populations for deeper insights.
This really opens the door to tackling those trickier, high-bar assays with total confidence. So, let's recap what makes this workflow such a huge step up, shall we? Bottom line, the LevitasBio workflow gives you excellent yield, quality, and confidence in your results. So with that newfound confidence, what amazing new discoveries could you unlock?